What is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing great. Woo! Let's go. So, I am making my way to Moto World right now because some of you guys told me that I got. It's weird, like, you know, looking at my hand, and after some of you commented that, you know, bro, you should use gloves. It's kind of weird to see your hand. I couldn't look at the video I made the same way again. So yeah, it's time to buy some gloves. So I'm heading to Moto World to buy some gloves. I hope they have the icon pursuit because I used that glove before and I loved it so much, but I couldn't find it. I could find it online, but I had like bad experience with buying gloves online, you know. Some fake shit all over the place. Oh, look at that, there's a TP over there. I think he's gonna stop that cyclist, I'm not sure, but we'll see. His lights are on, so is he gonna stop the cyclist? Oh, no, he's probably going somewhere. Speaking of cyclists, oh my god, cyclists. Not all, once again, not all, but you know, some of you guys are just like pain in the ass, man. Like, I get it, you're supposed to cycle on the road, but please do not cycle at the center of the lane. Keep to the left and like in like one single line, one single file. That's how you're supposed to ride, right? And also do not, I repeat, do not tailgate like trucks, those big ass trucks. Like you are gonna get yourself killed, and you're gonna traumatize people. You're gonna traumatize drivers and all. You know, it's gonna affect their rice bowl and all. Just don't, bro. Just don't. Sexy. That is just pure sexiness right there. A demonstration of sexiness. So yeah, some of you guys have been asking me if I'm gonna do like a meetup or like, you know, a ride and invite you guys. Like, definitely, man, that's what I want to do. I need to gather the numbers first. I want to know who's like interested, and you know, from there I can make a proper planning, because you know, with all these restrictions, as much as I hate it, I have to follow the rules, and I don't want you guys to get into trouble as well. I will update you guys if I were to like organize a ride or something. Yeah, also most of the time I'll be riding with the Ducati boys. We don't really, what the fuck? Did he just like, what the fuck? Bro, how? He just went from lane 2 to lane 3. Yeah, but something that you need to know about me is I'm not a angry rider. Like, you can do that to me all you want. I'm just gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with this idiot? So I don't like to confront people unless it's like you're trying to kill me. I will confront the fuck out of you. But you know, other than that, I'm pretty nice. You know, people do mistakes, like small mistakes like that. I'm not gonna overreact. But it would be very good for the channel. I should like overreact. You know, like some of those you saw on YouTube, they like start smashing their windows and shit. I should do that. You see the white car over there, leaving the hotel? I hate that car. I'm just kidding, I love the police. The police are nice. So yeah, maybe I should like overreact to small things and post it on YouTube, because you know, negativity gets more attention. I'm not gonna do that lah. I'm not gonna do that. I think that's like a very cheap move, a cheap shot. And also, you know, people make mistakes. You know, sometimes they're talking or what, and they're not really paying attention. So even I do it sometimes, you know. So you don't have to make a big deal out of everything, unless like he almost hit me or something and I almost died. And yeah, definitely, because I don't want him to do that to like other people, man. Yeah, that's my GPS right there. Turn right. Also, there's something I want to clarify. Some of you guys are DMing me saying like, dude, why so much hate? for R15 riders. Okay, guys, I do not hate R15 riders. I do not hate the bike. Honestly, I think it's a very good bike. I think it's just a thing for us because you gotta admit, there are some riders, a very small percentage, but they do still exist, and it only exists with R15 riders. You guys are just like assholes, man. the way you guys like look at other riders. All right, and we are here. Let's park my bike. I don't know if I can park my bike here, but I'm just gonna park my bike here and head into the shop. Alright, so I'm not gonna record the inside of the shop because they don't want to sponsor me, but it's cool. So I'm just gonna come out with the gloves later. Alright, and we are off. Alright guys, so I got my gloves. It's from Comine. I have no idea how to pronounce this brand, but Comine. I think it's Comine. Alright guys, so I got my gloves. So it is Comine. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's just a simple gloves. It's quite affordable. So it's around $46, and I really love it so much. It's very comfortable. Like, you know how some gloves it is like very restricting and you cannot like properly grip, but this one, yeah, it feels good. And it looks good too, honestly. And I bought the like mesh because I don't want my hand to be hot. Plus I saw some nice leather gloves just now, but it didn't allow me to like touch my phone. I can't use the touch screen, so if I want to use my phone like during at traffic lights, like skip songs or whatsoever, I have to like take out my gloves or like use my elbow, which I couldn't reach. So yeah. So what were we talking about? Was I talking shit about R15 just now? No. I wasn't talking shit about R15. I was explaining about why I was throwing shit at R15 riders. like I said, guys, it's not all of you, it's just some of you, and you gotta agree with me. Like, even some of you inside who are riding R15 hate R15 riders. It is so bad, guys. It is so bad to the extent that some R15 riders hate some R15 riders. It's just so toxic, man. I have no, and the fucked up part is, there are people I know who are like really nice. They are like really nice people, but once they rode an R15, they are like not assholes, but they're just different, man. It's just like they give you this look like you're beneath me. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm beneath you? I couldn't even hear you, bro. So yeah, I have nothing against R15. Honestly, I think it's a very good bike. It's just, oh no, I hate this road. This is why I hate it, because people will start parking here. Yeah, so I don't hate R15 or R15 riders like exclusively. It's just those asshole riders who like, especially when they got a Mina at the back. Oh my god, don't make me start. When they got a Mina at the back and they're riding R15 with their little winglets, there is just a whole new level of arrogance, and like they'll just look at you up and down and be like thinking that they are faster than you for some reason. I wouldn't even try to race with them because like, why would I? What's the point? But it's just the look that they gave you that just makes you feel like, dude, this bitch, like, I need to put this R15 in place. But you don't do that kind of stuff because it's petty as fuck. But you guys get it. I'm pretty sure you guys experienced it before. A R15 with winglets and with some RI with tinted helmet will like look at you up and down at the traffic light, and like just how we would like embrace another rider and like give the nod, and no, not with R15. R15 rider will just look at you and then they will like, I don't know why they wanna like whack their bike. In Malay we say pera. I don't know why they wanna pera their bike. Like it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Oh, shit. It's just R15 riders, man. It's just a thing with them. But like, you can go on Twitter and I bet you at least like once a month there'll be something going on with like R15 riders. It's either you don't obey traffic rules and then you wanna step like you some big fuck, or you try to race with a S1000 RR. I don't know what other stupid stuff you guys are trying to do, but yeah. Oh, those winglets, man. It's nice. It's nice. I love it so much. But if you do it for decoration, I don't give a shit. I would put winglets on this bike too, just for decoration. But don't fucking look at me with that face, with that sat just because you got winglets, bro. Yeah, but not all R15 riders. So last time I was riding an RS125, and RS125 was the R15 of back then. Like people hated our RS125 riders. Like we are not accepted by the mud rip community. I'm serious. As a Malay, if you ride an RS125, you will not be accepted in the mud rempit community. No, they will never accept you. You must be riding RXZ, KR, SP, 125Z, or any of the other Kapchai bikes, and they will accept you. But if you ride an RS125, they will never accept you, bro. Why? I'm not sure also lah. I think to them like there's this saying that, oh, RS125 is expensive, and same just like how R15 is right now. Like I think there are some RS125 riders out there who are very arrogant, so it makes the whole community hate that specific one bike. So that's normal lah. It's normal. I've been in your position, guys. For those of you who are riding R15 right now and you guys are not assholes and you guys are like, hey, but what's your, I'm not like that. I know how you feel, but it's just the circle of life. You just have to accept it. It is how it is. People will hate you for the bike that you ride, like how people hate, like some people hate Ducati riders. It is what it is. I don't blame you, because I've seen this type of people too. But yeah, like honestly, I'm just friends with everybody. I don't really care what bike you ride. So I just like to make fun of it, like R15, you know. But honestly, I love R15. I think it's a good looking bike. If let's say I had to only choose 2B bikes to ride for the rest of my life, okay, not for the rest of my life lah, like if I had to choose a 2B bike to ride, number one, it would be, oh my god, that's the bike, Honda Grom MSX 125, Honda Grom. That bike, it is such a fun bike. It's such a fun little bike. I love that bike so much. It's so light and it's just so flickable, and like you can like weave through traffic like easily, man. Like this thing I'm doing right now will be so much easier with an MSX 125. Oh, that bike is so good, so fuel efficient, and there are so many modifications that you can actually do to it, man. You can make it look like a Panigale or Panigale. I don't know how. Okay, there's something you guys need to know about me. I couldn't pronounce most of the words because I heard a lot of people pronounce it in so many different ways. Even I myself don't know how it's pronounced. Alright? Yeah, but you can modify an MSX 125 into a Panigale. You can turn it into like a Ducati Monster. You can do so many things with an MSX 125. And in Thailand it's crazy. You can stretch. You can put like big ass wheels. See, it's this type of cars that I hate. They will go to second lane and then they will go back to first lane. 1 second lane is slower. Why lah? Alright, so yeah, number one is the MSX 125. I love that bike. And number two, it would be RS125, my old RS125, because you know, it's just good, man. It's just good, and I love it so much, and it just looks good, it feels good. It's not that slow, it's not that fast either, but it's a sexy ass 2B bike. You can complain, you can't fight that. And number three would be I think it's a tie between R15 version 3 and the new Suzuki 2B sports bike. I forget what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I think that bike looks good. I think that bike looks sexy. But yeah, I wouldn't leave it at stock though, because so many people is riding that bike. It just looks, I want to stand out. I don't want to look like the rest. Oh my god, these gloves are amazing, man. Why didn't I buy gloves like from the beginning? It's so good. Anyway, I hope I justified like why I was throwing shit at R15. Honestly, I love you guys. Like, I need some drama in my life, and you guys provided it, so thank you. Other than that, I have nothing against the bike. It's an awesome bike. Maybe I should, oh, you know what I should do? I should like rent an R15 version 3 with a fucking P plate and like go around and just like judge people. Oh, I should do that, man. I should record videos of me doing that. Oh, that's such a good idea. Alright, I'll look into that. Other than that, guys, please stay safe. The number of cases are going up. I don't know about you guys, but I'm scared. Like, dude, 800 plus? That's crazy, man. If you divide it by 4 corners of Singapore, that's like 200 in each side. Probably every day you are actually walking past someone with COVID-19. That's how bad it is. So yeah, so please be careful, be safe, use your mask at all time, get vaccinated, and if you got nothing to do outside, just stay at home, you know. Oh, it's such a beautiful day to ride. I love it so much. Oh, and I would also like to apologize for the previous video quality, the sound. Oh my god, the wind was so strong. I just realized that I placed the mic at the bottom of the helmet, so that's why it was catching a lot of wind noises. But this time I tried to put it at the higher up, so I hope it's a lot better now. Anyways, if you guys want to collaborate, if you guys want to go for a ride together, or I don't know if you guys got any good ideas, you guys can just hit me up on my Instagram, or I don't know, just leave a comment and we'll see what we can do from there, man. I'm really excited because I have a few projects in mind. I have a few ideas that I want to do, but I just need to meet the right people to do it. So definitely we're gonna slowly grow this channel and to grow the motorcycle. Woo! That was crazy. So yeah, definitely I really want to meet a lot of people and, you know, grow my network and meet a lot of interesting people, get to know about your motorcycle, get to know about your motorcycle experiences, and, you know, maybe in the future we can go touring together, or we can go to the racetrack together. We can go explore makan places. I don't know, man, but I don't really have a direction for this channel, but definitely motorcycles is gonna be a part of it. So that's it for this video, guys. Do like, subscribe and share this video to your friends, and catch you in the next episode. Bye bye. Do you guys want to see me race this Honda Freed? Race time, man.